everyone. Welcome back to Mobile, Alabama Living with Leonel Colon. I'm Lionel, your favorite real estate agent, or at least I hope I'm in the top 5. If you're in or approaching your golden years, you might be thinking about downsizing, but how do you know when it's time? Today, we're diving into 10 signs that might be telling you, hey, maybe I don't need 5 bedrooms and a yard that requires a full-time landscaping crew. Number 1, your home is becoming less affordable. If your mortgage, taxes, and utility bills are eating up more of your budget than your grocery bill, and you're not even shopping at Whole Foods, it might be time to downsize. Smaller home equals smaller bills, more money for things like travel, hobbies, or spoiling the grandkids. Number 2, home maintenance is exhausting. So listen, if you've grown louder than your lawnmower when it's time to do yard work, or if changing a light bulb now requires a post-workout recovery session, it might be time for a home that doesn't demand so much upkeep. Number 3, you have more empty rooms than used ones. You got a guest room that hasn't seen a guest since 2015, a formal dining room that's now a storage unit for holiday decorations. That's prime real estate doing nothing. A smaller space could save you more money and effort. Number 4, you're the oldest person in your neighborhood. If your neighbors are throwing parties past 10 p.m. and your idea of a wild night is staying up for the 10 o'clock news, it might be time for a change of scenery. A community with people in similar stage of life could be more fun and less noisy. Number 5, stairs are becoming your enemy. If climbing the stairs feel like scaling Mount Everest, a one-story home or a place with an elevator could save your knees and your sanity. Number 6, your kids have moved out and they're not coming back. So listen, if your kids are off building their own lives and only visit when there's free food involved, do you really need all that extra space? Downsizing could mean less house to clean and more freedom to visit them instead. Number 7, you want a simpler life. Less space equals less clutter. Less clutter equals less stress. Less stress equals more time to actually enjoy life. It's basic math. And number 8, the cost of living is skyrocketing. So if your city's cost of living has risen faster than patience for traffic, downsizing to a more affordable area could ease the financial strain and improve your quality of life. And number 9, you'd like to be closer to family or friends. Listen, if your grandkids' birthdays feel more like long-distance events, moving closer to loved ones could be a game changer. Plus, spontaneous Sunday dinners. Yes, please. And number 10, you want to travel more. So if you dream of traveling without worrying about who's going to water the plants and wash the house, a smaller, low-maintenance home could be your ticket to freedom. So if any of these sound familiar, it might be time to consider downsizing. Remember, it's not about giving up space. It's about gaining freedom and new opportunities. So if you're thinking of buying, selling, or downsizing in Mobile or Baldwin County, let's chat. Hit that like button, subscribe for more real estate tips, and I'll see you in the next one.